Hey guys, I'm Holden. Today I'm taking you on a little tour for apartment close to Tianzifang. Tianzifang is also in the former French concession. This place is located in the heart of Shanghai. Yeah, I found the door. Let's cross the road. Be careful with those scooters. And that is the gate 2. Now let's get in. This place is really a maze of narrow alleyways. This place is filled with art studios, boutique shops, and cozy cafés. Oh, a cat in Tianzifang. This place is selling teacups. Price is quite reasonable, 25. I think it's 25 for one cup. And this place is always buzzing with life, especially on weekend. You can always find many tourists from all over the world. They are just strolling around and checking out handmade crafts. And also you can simply grab a cup of drink and walk and talk. You could find anything interesting in those alleyways. People are selling things to tourists. So you want to transfer your name into Chinese character and write it on the picture. Interesting. This is a really cool mix of old and new. Those buildings are very old. It is called Shikumen building. It's a very traditional building in Shanghai. This place is absolutely worth to visit. Let's see the menu. This is the menu of bill. I got to say the price is quite expensive, but you know, in this location, you have to pay for the service and the atmosphere. All right, now let's talk about the apartment I'm going to show you today. It's right in that building. Let's go. There are many restaurants downstairs. Now we arrived at the compound. The name is very interesting. It's called Bojueju, the house of the count. Alright, now let's open the door. Okay, it is near the evening, so it's not very bright. Let's turn the light on. This apartment is quite clean, well finished, and move-in ready. And there is a bay window in the living room. Let's see it outside. That is quite high from the ground. A little scary. There is a roof garden. Alright, now let's keep moving. And it's also a dinner room here. The kitchen. More light. Unfortunately, this apartment doesn't have a gas stove. It only has an electric one. But I think that is an oven. Yeah, it is an oven. And a microwave, refrigerator, many storage for the kitchen. Bathroom here. It's also a clean bathroom. Right. Now the bedroom. That is a king-size bedroom. And the bedroom also have a bay window. The rent for this one is around $2,000 per month. And that includes 2 professional cleans per month, plus Wi-Fi. To be honest, it is quite expensive. But at this location, with this decoration, you have got to pay for it. Here is a hall. of the apartment, and you can't believe it. It is 6th floor of this building. Let's take a look in this small garden. Little bird. Alright, now I can show you. It is quite noisy here, but it is nice to have this small roof garden. Alright, this is the apartment for today. If you have anything you want to ask, feel free to ask me on the comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.